This is Power Electronics Lab at VNIT Nagpur. We have developed certain products at this lab. First of all, the very first product being 3-phase, 3-level diode clamp multi-level inverter that is rated for 20 kVA. The special feature of this converter is this has been fabricated from silicon carbide MOSFETs. The very important feature of this converter being the gate driver circuit that has been developed in-house within this lab. This has been developed under the project of Department of Science and Technology, CERI, under the guidance of Professor H.M. Suryavanshi at VNIT Nagpur. The applications of this converter include grid-tied applications, where the size of the inductor or the filter inductor is highly reduced because of the high switching frequency of 84 kHz. Also, it has been tested for a power rating of 10 kVA for grid-tied as well as motor drive applications in-house. Now, secondly, we have also developed modified LC-LC resonant converters at VNIT Nagpur. This has been developed under the guidance of Professor H.M. Suryavanshi, and the very important feature of this converter is the low cost feature and high efficiency. This converter actually consists of 3 kilowatt 4 modules that can be connected in series and parallel, and also the high efficiency enables its operation for applications like DC microgrid as well as AC microgrid applications, where it can be connected as front end for various multi-level inverters. Also, very high efficiency coupled with the reduced switching frequency range on account of control application helps its operation for various other applications like solar pumping as well. The third converter being, this has been developed for the RESCUES project under the guidance of Professor H.M. Suryavanshi. This is again a converter that is each rated for 500 watt and total 4 modules. So this is an interleaved modular converter. The converter is highly efficient because it enables the use of low voltage MOSFETs, because it enables high voltage gain. Each converter is rated for 48 volts input and it can deliver up to 400 volts of output. The 4 converters can be connected in series and parallel so that it can scale up to very high voltage ratings up to 1600 volts. Also, the use of 100 kHz switching frequency helps the reduced size of input filter, and input current ripple is also minimized. Applications include solar PV as well as fuel cell applications, and the efficiency for which it has been tested is up to 96%. Thank you.